this video, I will show you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. So if Meta AI is not showing on your WhatsApp, then here's what you can do in order to get it. First thing that you can do is going to your App Store or your Google Play Store, and let's do that right now. And in your Google Play or App Store, you're going to click on the search bar and then type in WhatsApp. And what you're going to do is you're going to update it to the latest version if it says update in here. So that is one of the most important steps in this process to fix it. So if you have that done, you can try closing your WhatsApp and then opening it again and then see if it is there. So if this still does not work, here's the following thing that you can do. And for this, we need to go over to our settings. Then we click on general and then we access storage. And in your storage, you're going to your WhatsApp and then you're going to click on offload app to basically restore the app from inside. This will not delete all of your data, but this will just reset your WhatsApp, and this will often solve a lot of problems as well. So right now you can try if it is there after you've done this, and if it still is not there, then WhatsApp has probably not enrolled it out to you yet. WhatsApp usually rolls out new features like Meta AI gradually to users, and it can be the case that it's going to take a little while in order to be enrolled on your phone number. This can be a bit annoying, but this is how WhatsApp works. But unfortunately, there's nothing to do than just wait for this to arrive. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.